Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will introduce you a new model tour guide system, TT111, TT112 and 13. And these are the devices. And this is the handheld transmitter. It will have the charging base, charging cable, and the lanyard. And this is the hand-on-neck transmitter. It has the lanyard and charging cable and the speaker mic and also a spare one, an earphone for the speaker. And this is the receiver. It has a spare ear hook in case there are problems about the original one, and also the charging cable. And these are the boxes come with it, and also the menu. These are all the included. Of course, you don't need to buy both transmitters. In case you, if you need two, you can buy two. If you just need a handheld one, you can buy only one. And if you just need this one, you can only buy one. Come with the receiver will be fine. And for this receiver, for this tour guide system, we have two versions. One is the American frequency and the other is the European frequency. So if you are located in American, you can use the American one. If you are in Europe, you can use the European one. And for this one, the range is very long. It can reach about 200 meters in an open area. Because it's the UHF frequency, the range is longer. And for the US version, there are 100 channels, and for the European, it has 36 channels. And for the battery, the transmitter has 2000 milliampere, and the battery of the receiver is 520 milliampere. After fully charged, the receiver can use for about 8 hours. The transmitter can use for 7 hours. It takes 5 hours to fully charge, and this one takes 2 hours to fully charge. And this is the simple introduction of this tour guide system, and I will show you how to operate later. It's very easy to operate. If you have other questions, feel free to contact us by support@retekess.com. Thank you.